Hello and welcome to English News for Learners. Today is February 2nd. Today we have 5 interesting stories from Japan. We will talk about baseball, exams, art, and new technology. Let's get started. 日本のプロ野球春季キャンプ Japanese professional baseball teams started their training camps. All 12 professional teams began on February 1st. The players are in Okinawa and Miyazaki. These areas are warm in the winter. Many fans go to see the players. During training, fans get a very close look. It is different from regular season games. This event brings many tourists to the islands. Training will continue for several weeks. The regular season starts on March 27th. Miyazaki is also a base for Samurai Japan. That is the name of the national team. Players are working hard to prepare. Fans are excited for the new season. The sun is shining in Okinawa. Players are practicing their batting and pitching. They want to be in top shape. Families enjoy watching the practice drills. The energy is very high. Next topic. 中学入試がスタート. Thousands of students started their entrance exams today. These are for junior high schools in Tokyo. This year is very special. February 1st fell on a Sunday. This changed many school schedules. In Japan, this is called the Sunday shock. Some popular schools had many more applicants. There was a 150% increase at some places. This period is often called exam hell. The pressure on young children is very high. They have studied for many years for this exam. Parents wait outside the school gates. They feel nervous for their children. Most students will get their results soon. It only takes a few days. Many students go to cram schools. They study late into the night. They want to enter a good private school. The competition is very tough this year. We wish all the students good luck. Moving on to our third story. 進化する日本の屏風. A traditional Japanese art form is becoming popular again. It is called byobu, or folding screens. Now, these screens have modern designs. Specialist shops in Tokyo are creating new types. Artists are using beautiful kimono fabrics. Some even use photography or denim materials. Traditional screens were disappearing from homes. However, modern versions are attracting overseas orders. People in other countries love the designs. They use them to decorate modern rooms. This helps preserve traditional craftsmanship. It combines old skills with new ideas. The screens are shown at international events. One design features photos of jellyfish. It looks very beautiful and unique. The craftsmen are very skilled. They make each screen by hand. This takes a long time and care. Overseas customers like the high quality. These screens are like pieces of art. Next up. Narita 空港のごみ圧縮技術. Narita Airport is testing a new machine. A Japanese startup company made this technology. The machine compresses trash into smaller pieces. This makes waste management more efficient. The airport is a very busy place. It produces a lot of trash every day. The new machine reduces the volume significantly. This means fewer truck trips are needed. It helps to lower CO2 emissions. The environment will benefit from this test. The airport will watch the results closely. Then they will decide on permanent use. The startup is working with other hubs too. They want to help many transport centers. This is a smart way to handle waste. Collecting trash is a difficult job. It takes many workers and vehicles. This technology saves time and money. It also keeps the airport clean. Technology can solve many daily problems. We hope the test is successful. Moving on. JAXAの海洋観測. JAXA, Japan's space agency, finished a mission. It was a 10-day research project. They studied the Sea of Japan. Researchers used a ship called Koyo Maru. They collected data at 126 different points. They studied how ocean temperatures change. This helps them understand the climate better. Satellites also collect data from space. but the ship data is more detailed. The team looked at the ocean front. This is where water temperatures change suddenly. The findings will improve weather predictions. Data analysis will begin immediately. Scientists want to learn about global warming. This research is very important for our future. The sea affects the weather in Japan. Small changes can cause big storms. By studying the water, we can be safe. JAXA works on land and in space. They use high technology to help. And finally, today we learned about baseball and exams. We also talked about art and new technology. Then we finished with space agency news. Thank you for listening to today's news. I hope these stories were helpful for you. Keep practicing your English every day. See you in the next episode.